You walk in. It smells good. Coffee, warm air, people talking. You look at the menu. You see the words, latte, cappuccino, Americano. You think, okay, I know these words. I can do this. You walk to the counter. The barista looks at you. She smiles. She says, "Hi, what can I get for you?" And then, nothing. Your English just disappears. Not because you don't know English, because now it's real. There is a person in front of you. There is a line behind you. 5 people waiting. And your brain starts running. Fast. Too fast. Do I say I want or can I have? What's the difference? Is I want rude? Small or medium? What do they call it here? Tall, grande? For here or to go? What does to go mean again? Milk? Which milk? Regular, oat, almond? And the line, still there, still waiting. Your face goes red. Your hands feel strange. You open your mouth and say, coffee, please." The barista waits. "What size?" And it starts again. You know that feeling. It's not about English. It's about the moment, the speed, the pressure, the person waiting. Today, we fix that. No hard grammar, no long sentences, just the simple phrases that get you through any coffee shop in the world. By the end of this video, you will know exactly what to say, what the barista will ask, and how to answer without panic. Let's go. Here's the thing. The words are not hard. Coffee, latte, milk, size, pay. You know all of these. The problem is not the words. The problem is the speed. In class, English is slow. People wait. You can think. In a cafe, English is fast. The line moves. The machine is loud. The barista is busy. And when everything is fast, your brain freezes. So the answer is not to learn more words. The answer is to have ready phrases and phrases, small pieces already built, so your brain doesn't have to build them from zero. Like this. "Can I have a coffee, please?" You don't think. You just say it. We're going to build your order step by step, right now. Like a small road. You just follow it. The most important phrase in any coffee shop. "Can I have a coffee, please?" That's it. That's your starting point. You can use it everywhere. "Can I have a latte, please?" "Can I have a cappuccino, please?" "Can I have an Americano, please?" "Can I have an iced coffee, please?" Simple, polite, works every time. There's one more option. "I'd like a coffee, please." Both are good. But if you want to keep it simple, start with, "Can I have?" Say it with me, out loud, right now. "Can I have a latte, please?" Again. "Can I have a latte, please?" One more time. "Can I have a latte, please?" Good. That's step 1. Done. After you order, the barista will ask, "What size?" Or, small, medium, or large? Your answers. Small, please. Medium, please. Large, please. Or you can put it all together. "Can I have a medium latte, please?" That's already a complete order. You don't need more. You don't need to sound fancy. Clear is better than fancy. Let's practice. Say these with me. "Can I have a small cappuccino, please?" "Can I have a medium Americano, please?" "Can I have a large iced coffee, please?" Good. Step 2. Done. This question surprises a lot of people. The barista looks at you and asks, "For here or to go?" And you think, what does that mean? It's simple. For here, you stay inside the cafe. You sit down, you drink your coffee there. To go, you take the coffee with you. You walk out. Your answers. For here, please. To go, please. That's all. 2 words, plus please. The barista says, for here or to go? You say, to go, please. Done. Say it with me. To go, please. For here, please. Most cafe English is not long. It is short answers. Short answers are normal. Short answers are natural. Now the barista may ask about milk. Any milk? Or what kind of milk? Your answers. Regular milk, please. Oat milk, please. Almond milk, please. No milk, thank you. Then sugar. Any sugar? Your answers. No sugar, thank you. 1 sugar, please. 2 sugars, please. Quick example. Barista. What kind of milk? You. Oat milk, please. Barista. Any sugar? You. No sugar, thank you. Clean. Simple. Done. And here, one very important phrase. If you don't understand the question, don't panic. Just say, sorry, can you say that again? This phrase is not weak. This is smart. Native speakers ask again too. Cafes are loud. People speak fast. It's normal. Say it with me. Sorry, can you say that again? Again. Sorry, can you say that again? Keep this phrase. It will save you. Almost done. Now you pay. The barista may say, that'll be $5, or cash or card. Your answers. Card, please. Cash, please. After you pay, thank you. When you get your coffee, thanks, have a nice day. That's the whole thing. You don't need to talk more. You don't need to be funny. You don't need to make conversation. Just move through the order. Order. Size. Here or to go. Milk. Pay. Thank you. That's it. Now, let's put it all together. Listen to the full dialogue. Then we say it together. Barista. Hi, what can I get for you? You. Can I have a medium latte, please? Barista. For here or to go? You. To go, please. Barista. What kind of milk? You. Oat milk, please. Barista. Any sugar? You. No sugar, thank you. Barista. Anything else? You. That's all, thank you. Barista. That'll be $5. You. Card, please. Barista. Here you go. You. Thanks. Have a nice day. Look at that. No hard grammar, no long sentences, no big words. Just simple phrases, in the right order. That is real speaking. Now, say the whole thing with me. Your part only. Out loud. Can I have a medium latte, please? To go, please. Oat milk, please. No sugar, thank you. That's all, thank you. Card, please. Thanks. Have a nice day. Say it again. Faster this time. Can I have a medium latte, please? To go, please. Oat milk, please. No sugar, thank you. That's all, thank you. Card, please. Thanks. Have a nice day. Good. That's your coffee order. Memorized. Ready. Before we finish, 5 phrases for when things go wrong. Keep these close. Sorry, can you say that again? When you didn't hear. Sorry, I don't understand. When you're lost. Can you speak slowly, please? When it's too fast. 1 moment, please. When you need 2 seconds. That's all, thank you. When you're done. These phrases are not weakness. They are tools. Use them. Go to the comments right now. Write your coffee order in English. Use this pattern. Can I have a medium oat milk latte to go, please? Or make your own. Your drink, your size, your milk. Write it now, in English. One sentence. Ordering coffee is not about coffee. It's about your first small win in English. Today you learned one order. Tomorrow you use it. Next time, your brain does not freeze. Because it knows the road. You walk in. The barista smiles. She says, "Hi, what can I get for you?" And you say, "Can I have a medium latte to go, please?" Just like that. No panic, no red face, no frozen brain. Just coffee. Don't wait for perfect English. Use simple English in real life. Starting today, go to the channel, pick the next story, keep listening, keep speaking. The playlist is waiting.